Hi everyone, in today's video, we are sharing a simple 3-day detox plan that helps you cleanse your body and jumpstart your weight loss. We'll go over the right foods and drinks to include, along with do's, don'ts, and precautions to ensure safe detoxing. You'll feel light, fresh, and energetic in just 3 days with the right approach. For a detailed plan, do check out the link in the description box or the pinned comment below. At 7 am, drinking jeera water upon waking up can work wonders for your detox diet. Jeera, or cumin seeds, help boost digestion and detoxify the liver, aiding in the removal of toxins from the body. It also helps reduce bloating, improve metabolism, and regulate blood sugar levels, making it a perfect start for weight loss. This simple drink also curbs cravings and promotes fat burning throughout the day. Lemon honey water is a powerful, refreshing combination that can kickstart your metabolism. Lemon helps flush out toxins, improve digestion, and boost vitamin C, while honey provides natural sweetness and can soothe your digestive system. This drink is known to reduce fat accumulation, support hydration, and balance pH levels, making it an excellent addition to any detox plan for weight loss. Methi, fenugreek, water is another amazing drink for weight loss and detox. Methi seeds are rich in fiber and antioxidants, helping to reduce bloating and enhance digestion. They also help in regulating blood sugar levels, which is key for controlling cravings. Drinking methi water can promote healthy metabolism, reduce inflammation, and keep you feeling energized throughout the day. For breakfast between 8 to 9 am, papaya is a fantastic choice for breakfast during your detox diet. Packed with enzymes like papain, it helps boost digestion and detoxify the gut, promoting smoother bowel movements. It's rich in vitamins A and C, which help flush out toxins and boost immunity. Plus, the high fiber content keeps you feeling full, reducing unnecessary cravings and supporting healthy weight loss. Watermelon is perfect for hydration and detoxing. With a high water content, about 90%, it helps flush out toxins, keeps you hydrated, and supports healthy kidney function. It's also low in calories, making it a great option for those looking to lose weight without compromising on nutrients. The lycopene in watermelon is an antioxidant that fights inflammation, keeping your metabolism in check. Banana for breakfast is an excellent source of natural energy and potassium, which helps maintain electrolyte balance while detoxing. It's also packed with fiber, promoting healthy digestion and reducing bloating. The natural sugars in bananas provide sustained energy, and they help keep you feeling full, preventing overeating. Bananas also help support gut health, making them a great option to include in your detox plan for weight loss. For mid-morning at 11 am, drinking coconut water with soaked almonds is an excellent choice for your detox diet. Coconut water is hydrating, rich in electrolytes, and helps flush out toxins while boosting metabolism. Almonds are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, which support weight loss by keeping you full longer and stabilizing blood sugar levels. This combination is great for boosting energy and promoting healthy digestion while helping with detoxification. Pairing coconut water with walnuts is a nutrient-packed combo for your detox diet. Coconut water hydrates and replenishes essential minerals, while walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support fat loss. Walnuts also promote brain health and healthy digestion, making this combination a perfect mid-morning snack to keep you energized and aid in weight loss. Coconut water with dates is a naturally sweet and energizing drink. Coconut water aids in detoxing, hydrating, and replenishing electrolytes, while dates provide natural sugars, fiber, and antioxidants that help curb cravings and improve digestion. This combination also helps in maintaining blood sugar levels and provides a quick energy boost without the crash, making it a great choice for weight loss and detox. Between 1 to 2 pm, cucumber, carrot, and tomato salad is a light yet nutrient-dense choice for lunch. Cucumber is hydrating and helps flush out toxins while being low in calories, which aids in weight loss. Carrots are rich in fiber and vitamin A, supporting digestion and promoting healthy skin. Tomatoes are packed with antioxidants, boosting metabolism and reducing inflammation, making this salad perfect for detoxing and weight loss. The combination of cabbage, sprouts, and beetroot offers a powerhouse of nutrients for weight loss. Cabbage is rich in fiber and antioxidants, helping with digestion and reducing bloating. Sprouts are packed with protein and enzymes, promoting a healthy metabolism and aiding in detoxification. Beetroot supports liver health, enhances blood circulation, and helps flush out toxins, making this salad a great choice for a detox-friendly, weight loss lunch. Carrot, onion, and tomato salad is a delicious and low-calorie option for detoxing and weight loss. Carrots are high in fiber and support digestion, helping you stay full longer. Onions are natural diuretics, reducing water retention and helping to flush out toxins. Tomatoes provide lycopene, an antioxidant that helps improve metabolism and reduce inflammation, making this salad a perfect addition to your weight loss journey. At around 4 p.m., mango is packed with vitamin C and fiber, which help boost metabolism and aid in digestion. It's also rich in antioxidants that support detoxification and reduce inflammation, promoting overall health. While it's naturally sweet, it's a great option for satisfying cravings without resorting to unhealthy snacks. Guava is high in fiber, which helps improve digestion and reduce bloating, making it ideal for weight loss. It's packed with vitamin C, which supports your immune system and enhances skin health. Guavas are also low in calories, making them a perfect fruit to enjoy during your detox diet. An apple is an excellent choice for a detox-friendly evening snack. Rich in fiber and antioxidants, it supports healthy digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Apples also keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing cravings and making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Sweet corn and cucumber salad is light, hydrating, and perfect for a detox dinner. Cucumber helps flush out toxins and reduces bloating due to its high water content, while sweet corn provides fiber and essential vitamins that aid in digestion and promote satiety. This combination helps maintain a healthy metabolism while being low in calories, making it ideal for weight loss. Steamed broccoli and carrot salad is rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, supporting digestion and boosting immunity. Broccoli is known for its detoxifying properties and helps reduce inflammation, while carrots aid in digestion and keep your skin healthy. This nutrient-dense salad supports weight loss by keeping you full longer and providing essential nutrients without excess calories. Tossed carrot and methi sprout salad is an excellent choice for dinner, offering a good combination of fiber and protein. Carrots promote digestion and help control blood sugar levels, while methi sprouts are known to regulate insulin levels, helping with fat loss and reducing bloating. This low-calorie, nutrient-packed salad supports detoxification and keeps you energized through the night. Jeera water is a fantastic bedtime drink for detox and weight loss. Jeera, cumin, helps boost digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in better nutrient absorption. Drinking jeera water before bed also promotes detoxification, reduces bloating, and supports fat burning, making it an excellent choice to support your weight loss goals overnight. Here are some important do's to follow for your detox diet plan. First, drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily to help flush out toxins and stay hydrated, which is essential for your body's natural detox process. Eating slowly and mindfully ensures better digestion and allows your body to signal when it's full, preventing overeating. Make sure you get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night, as proper rest supports metabolism and helps your body burn fat effectively. Finally, try to go for a 15-minute walk daily to stay active, improve circulation, and aid in digestion, making your detox journey more effective. Here are some important don'ts to remember during your detox diet plan. First, don't drink tea or coffee, as they can dehydrate the body and hinder the detox process. Avoid processed foods, as they contain preservatives and additives that add toxins back into your system. Instead of intense workouts, don't overexert yourself. Opt for light exercises like yoga or walking to support the detox. Lastly, don't skip meals. Following the detox plan properly ensures your body receives the nutrients it needs for effective cleansing and weight loss. Before starting the detox, there are a few important precautions to keep in mind. If you have diabetes or low blood pressure, it's best to consult with a doctor before following the detox diet plan. Pregnant women should avoid strict detox diets as they can affect both the mother and baby. If you start feeling weak or dizzy, make sure to eat extra nuts or fruits to maintain energy, and remember, don't follow this detox for more than 3 days. Transition to a balanced diet afterward for long-term health. Today's video covers a 3-day detox that helps cleanse your body and burn fat effectively. Hydrating drinks and light meals support digestion, while herbal teas and nuts keep you full and energized throughout the day. Remember, avoid caffeine, junk food, and heavy workouts, and after 3 days, transition to a balanced diet for long-term health. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Thank you for watching today's video on the 3-day detox plan. We hope these tips help you cleanse your body and feel more energized. Remember, detoxing is a great way to jumpstart your health, but balance is key once you're done. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the detailed diet plan in the description box and pinned in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips, and we'll see you in the next video.